Hey guys, in this video I want to give you guys a PlayStation 4 tip that has to do with the remote and headphones. Like you guys know, you can plug any headphones that you want on the over here on the headphone jack. Right now I have plugged in the Apple headphones, but you can plug in here any headphones that you want because it uses the normal 3.5 port. And the good thing is that not only can you plug in headphones there and use these to chat online, but you can also pass all the audio from the TV, from the PlayStation 4 to your headphones connected to the jack. Now that's a feature that I didn't know that this controller had. And to do that, like for example right now, like you see it's connected, but you can still listen to the audio on the TV. If I go and press here, press and hold the home button, go to adjust devices, and right here once you plug these in you're gonna have this options right here, volume control for headphones. So right here you could go ahead and adjust the volume control that you'll receive in the headphones. Here you can also adjust the volume of the sound that comes out from these little speakers right here. But right here it says output to headphones, it says chat only. If you click right there, you can click all audio. Once you click all audio, like you see right there, you can't listen nothing on the TV now. And that's because everything has been transferred here to the headphones. The great thing is that you can have all your audio directed to your headphones while you play games and while you're on Netflix and Amazon and any other app, any other video app. You can also, all the audio is going to be directed to the headphones. And it sounds very good. And of course, the better the headphones you got, the better it's gonna sound, of course. So guys, that's it. That was a short tip there of the PlayStation 4 controller with headphones plugged in and directing all the audio to the headphones. That's awesome freaking feature. Till next time, guys.